Now we are at the home page of this software, and as you can see, the default language is Chinese. If you can't read it, we can click the blue logo icon on the top left and click the confirm, then the language will become English. This part is to import the keys, and here we click it to upload a case on your computer that needs to do the orthodontics simulation. Now here it is. On the right of the page, there is a blue icon writing rotate. When it is in blue, we can rotate the case by pressing the mouse and moving. If we click this icon again, it will become a pen icon. In this mode, we can move the case to east. On the left of the page, there are two blue options. One is the upper jaw, and another one is the lower jaw. If we click one of them, it will become a gray color and the corresponding jaw will disappear, which is convenient for us to check each jaw carefully. Below two buttons in white boxes can deal with the case. The first one is to delete the extra parts of the case. We can click it and then draw a circle with the mouse to remove the data inside of the circle. If we wrongly delete the important part, we now use the second option to recover. With a click, the operation of the last step will be cancelled. We click it again to cancel the function. Also, we make a click again on polygon, delete to cancel the delete function. Now let's check the case again and get into next step. In this stage, we need to confirm the teeth position. On the left of the page, there is prompt information. We can follow this to operate every step. The first step is to select the distal tooth number. Then mark the position of the distal tooth and the number 31 tooth to identify the tooth position. For this case, we have 8 tooths for each side, so the distal tooth number is 38 to 48. Firstly, we mark the number 38 tooth on the left picture. Then there will be a flashing point reminding us to mark it on the case. Here we double-click on the corresponding tooth to mark, and the second one and the last one. Then we need to identify the middle line of the incisors and the coordinate grid as prompt. Here we also use the rotate pen function to do this. After this is done, click the Adjust Coordinate Origin. In the next step, we get into the dimension process, and in this step, we have to make sure every tooth matches the tooth number in the left operation panel, just like the note in the prompt information. First, let's check the tooth number. In the left picture, the first tooth number is 11, while the number in the case is 21. So we here make a left click on the tooth in the left picture, and then double click on the corresponding tooth to match. Then the number will be corrected. Then correct them one by one. Also, the another side of the jaw. Now the tooth number is all corrected. Let's say the manual segment. This function is used when one tooth is going to be extracted, then implanted. In this situation, we need to keep position. So we press and hold the right mouse to erase the color of number 25 tooth first. But if we wrongly delete another tooth color, we can repair it by clicking the corresponding tooth on the left mode, then pressing and holding the right mouse to recolor it. Then click it again to cancel this tooth color. When the number 25 tooth is clean, we click the Keep Tooth button. and choose the number 25 tooth on the left. This button on the left will become blue, and its position will be kept in the following steps. For the lower jaw, it's the same way, but the tooth number here are all correct, and no need to do the match. Only there are 8 teeth on each side. Sometimes we need to extract the number 8 tooth. So here we click Tooth Extraction, and then choose these 2 tooths. In the left picture, the color of the tooth in the case will become darker brown. In this situation, these 2 teeth won't appear in the following step. Now let's see the next step. As we mentioned, for the lower jaw there are only 7 teeth in each side now. And for the upper jaw, there is the teeth position left. Here we also see the prompt information first. And it says we should select the function first and then adjust the teeth position and last to adjust the arc. On the right of the page, there are 3 buttons, and the rotate button original opposite. By clicking the original, we can see the original place of the each tooth, while the opposite is to check the bed. Here, let's click Feature to adjust the teeth position first. By clicking it, there are 3 points on each teeth, and there are blue, black, red. The red one is not actually a point. It means the tooth length axis direction. The blue point means the distal point, and the black one means the opposite. On the right of the page, there is a point button. We click it, and the hand icon becomes blue. Then we can move these points to adjust teeth position. As you can see, every time when we move a point, the tooth changes a little bit. One by one, we adjust all teeth position. And then the long axis. We click the long axis button, and then double-click on the tooth, which needs to be adjusted. There will be 2 red wires embracing the tooth, and we press the space key to adjust the axis. Then click the feature again to save the operation. After this is done, we check the teeth again, and if we are not satisfied with the tooth, we can click Menu, Single to adjust a single tooth. Here, make a double click to choose a single tooth, and then use the Rotate or Pan function to adjust its position. Also, click the menu to save the operation. Then the arch, you can drag the blue point to adjust the arch. If the symmetry is chosen, then when you adjust one side, another side will change at the same time. If not, then the change will only work on the operation side. After the arch is finishing, re-choose the arch to save the data. Then the same way with the lower jaw. Please note that in this step, you need to check the opposite to make sure the bed is no problem. This is the last stage, and we can check the orthodontics stimulation result here. The default steps are 10, so here we can click the play button to view the process directly. There are 4 sides of the model to be checked. And you also can check the original data to compare. also the separate lower jaw or the upper jaw. But if you want to change the step number, you need to input the number no more than 20 here, and then click Calc to recalculate it. When the process is finished, you can play it to see the process. You can also video the whole process, and the default save path is in the folder where the original files are. Then cancel the video function and click Finish. This is all guides for our orthodontic stimulation process. Thank you for watching.